Hello everyone. I am Jahangir Alam from Jahangir Study Hub. In this video, I will show overview of Futuretech Cloud ERP for real estate industry, or Futuretech Total Information Management System software for real estate industry, where include sales department, construction department, inventory department, procurement department, finance department, and HR and admin department. Here, whole software will operate by admin user, and every department will operate by their own user account. This is Futuretech Total Information Management System software. This is part of Futuretech Total Information Management System software for sales department. This is product detailed. This is project sale value. This is some project sale value and status flat sale. This is monthly collection plan. This is CRM information. This is detailed CRM. This is document management for deed agreement. Now I will create document for deed agreement. This is deed agreement for Faisal Garden project. This type of deed agreement you can instant share your document to your team or others. Now I will discuss about construction department. This is part of Futuretech Total Information Management System software for construction department. This is quantity estimation with resource for casting work. This is quantity estimation with resource for rebar work. This is quantity estimation with resource for plaster work. This is quantity estimation with resource for tiles work. This is work plan which has created from project site to head office based centrally. This is weekly financial requirement. This is project budget for real estate industry. This is contract process, contractor or contractor selection process. From this process, you can create work order. This is contractor's bill. This is purchase requisition. Now I will create requisition form based on Asif Garden project and requisition number 01. This is requisition form. Now you can print this form. This is monthly financial requirement for contractor. This is bill of quantity for document management. This is bill of quantity for Faisal Garden project. This is document for design and drawing. In this document library, team will upload design and drawing where organization's top stakeholder will view this design and drawing from anywhere. Now I will show construction department by the user account of construction department. This is construction department open by user account of construction department. Here, Eamon Ahmed is user account of construction department. This is part of Futuretech Total Information Management System software for inventory department. This is some project inventory. Here, as per project site, project team has created inventory data where data has stored in head office based centrally. Viewers, now I will discuss about procurement department. This is part of Futuretech Total Information Management System software for procurement department. This is resource list for procurement. This is supplier list. This is contract process supplier. This is resource rate. This is status purchase requisition. This is purchase order. Now I will create purchase order form considering project name and supplier name and purchase order number. This is purchase order form. Now you can print this form. Viewers, now I will discuss about finance department. This is part of Futuretech Total Information Management System software for finance department. This is bank loan detailed. This is payment against bank loan. This is cash balance in bank. This is cash receive process. This is advance payment process. This is monthly financial requirement for supplier and contractor. This is supplier's payment with supplier's bill. This is contractor's payment with contractor's bill. This is customer bill and collection. This is accounts payable local purchase. This is accounts payable miscellaneous item. This is expenditure and revenue track process. This is project profit track process. This is fixed asset register. This is letter of credit or LC cost like custom duty and LC commission and others. This is cash balance for petty cash. Viewers, now I will discuss about HR and admin department. This is part of Futuretech Total Information Management System software for HR and admin department. This is employee detailed. This is month-wise human resource plan or month-wise employee track process. This is employee salary increase process and employee gross salary with increase amount. This is employee attendance with payroll. This is employee recruitment process. This is employee training and development. This is document management for curriculum vitae. In this document library, you can upload curriculum vitae. This is document for letter of HR and admin department. In this document library, you can create letter for HR and admin department. Viewers, now I will show Business Intelligence Report, where from organization's top stakeholder like MD, Chairman, Director, CEO, GM and etc. will monitor and control whole organization from anywhere, any device like desktop, laptop and mobile phone. This is Sales Department Report. Here, reports are project sale value, status flat sale, monthly collection plan. This is Construction Department Report. Here, reports are work plan, resource plan, project budget and contractor's bill. Construction Department reports may be increase or decrease depend on organization's requirement. This is Inventory Department Report. Here, report is project inventory. This is Finance Department Report. Here, reports are supplier's bill and payment, contractor's bill and payment, customer collection, expenditure and revenue. Finance Department reports may be increase or decrease depend on organization's requirement. This is HR and Admin Department Report. Here, reports are employee salary with increase amount, employee attendance. HR and Admin Department reports may be increase or decrease depend on organization's requirement. Thank you everyone. Any inquiry please contact us. alamjahangir248@yahoo.com. Cell 018891